you can use your Vanguardian more than once.
On this short episode, Vinny will undertake the mission of installing his old Vanguardian alarm. He's brought new batteries and new mounting plates. We don't expect much, but do please try and watch until the end. He tries hard, bless him, but he needs to try harder.
So welcome back to the channel. I am re-sticking my Vanguardian alarm back on the motorhome. So we used to have it on our CV40. I took them off when we sold it because it cost about 350 quid. And when you take it off, you destroy these, whatever these are called. So I brought 4 more of these. Cost me about 66 quid including delivery, but I must admit they did arrive the next day by DPD, which is good. So I'm going to put these back on the van and reinstall my Vanguardian alarm. Should it go there? Should it go there? Should it go there? What I don't want to do is put it on any of the matte black vinyls. I think that'd be bad. I think it should go there. I've got one problem. And that room's dirty now. I don't want to wash it today, it's a bit cold, so I might just cheat and just do the bits that I need to do. I think that'd be the best way forward. Clean, 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 clean. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, she's dirty. It's just really a case of sticking it on. Right, got some steps out. Bit of a big boy now. There's no difference to these up and down. Got 2 little screws at the side, then they just stick on. Then the alarm goes into that, then you get another cover. So that's the alarm box. Four screws. New drill bit. Back. Thought I'd use a screwdriver.
And now is struggling to find a suitable screwdriver. Later he will find one that came with the alarm pack.
And, cheap little screws look and head's bird off. What could be me using the wrong screwdriver? Probably more the case. Oh, that's not the right size screwdriver. It's one done. Now just to cover. Just make sure you leave enough gap up there. It's a bit tight, that was. Ow! Live and learn. It's like I said, when you take the alarm off, you break these because they stick and then they crack. But yeah, you can get these as replacements, so makes you be able to reuse your alarm and take it with you on your next purchase. Lovely. Right, let's go and clean this one then. So we've got a door there, and then we've got the gas locker just here. So I think on this one, just under there. Yeah. Now remember the alarm fits in there and then you've got a cover. So make sure you don't do it up against that, make sure it's like that. Very close to the side. Oh well. Or should I have it on the door? If I have it on the door, it's going to swing into that, isn't it? So I think I have it on here. I don't know if you can hear the neighbours. I think they're playing with their dog. Right, come on, let's get on. Just realised they supply you with a screwdriver. I just found it in the bag. Stupid boy. Just want to get an impact driver in there. That's that one done as well then. Yeah, it's still on that. What a dick. Right, just the 2 front ones to do now. Right, side ones, a bit smaller than the other ones. I'm going to line it up with that there. Stick the alarm in, put this on. What's your uncle? Terry's your aunt. Give it a good screw. There you go. Probably took me a minute and a half to install that. Right, let's go and do the other side now. One last one. Then we get to reset it, test it. Oh my god. Right, same again this side then. It does give you a little tool just to put that on there, but if you use your finger, it's the same thing. It's basically shock sensor. That's that done. Let's go and reprogram the fob, see if it works. Touch wood. Touch a lot of wood. Did you hear that? So, because I've put the batteries in, it's already figured out everything. So, alarm, alarm. Yeah, man genius has done it again. There you go, she's alarmed. You can use your Vanguardian more than once. There you go, so didn't waste my 350 quid, another 60 quid. I bought the back plates with the sticky bits, which obviously you ruin when you take the alarm off your other vehicle. Well worth it. Come next day, DPT. I've just stuck it on, that's probably took me about 20 minutes just to stick them up and screw those on. So, and I haven't had to clean the whole van either, so that's a bit of a Brucey bonus. Anyway, thank you for watching. Vanguardian, thank you very much, and see you on the next one. Bye.